Hello YouTube friends and families. This is our final litter of the spring, and they were born to Meadow and Casanova, May 19th. 2 litters at the same time, one on the couch and one right in the playpen beside me. These puppies are already adopted. We have 1 little girl and 2 little boys. Come on over here. Come on over here. Let's see you. This is our little girl. Helen, this is your little girl. Yes. Look at the beautiful markings on her. Adorable. Her name is Zoe. Yes, her mommy has named her Zoe, and she'll be going home soon. Gorgeous, gorgeous coat. Come here, you. This little boy, this is Jackson. Hi. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Yes. He's a very sweet, sweet, sweet little boy. Loves a lot of affection and attention and loves to play. And then, of course, there's always that one in the litter. Yes, and good thing he's going to a family with 6 children. Here he is. They haven't quite chosen a name for him yet. We've called him Polo, and they're going to decide as a family whenever he goes home. And he'll be going home soon. They have twin girls. Their birthday's coming up soon, so that's a nice gift to have for a birthday. Yes! And they all love children. They all love to play. They love the other puppies and the bigger puppies. There we go. What's the matter? All right. Thank you for being with us, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.